So I was invited to CANTINA app, so I just basically found invite code. So this is how it looks like after you just entered your invite code. So here it is. So you can just see some bots, and then you can create your first bot, or this is your room. And then here it is. Here's how the app looks like. So yeah, this is just, you see the feed of people and different memes. Then there are bots. So then there are all kind of bots which you can chat with. So you can see number of people who chatted with that bot, and then you can just chat with the bot. So then you can just start chatting like that. Then you can also have voice features. You can also create a selfie somehow. You can also tag someone, and yeah, but basically the idea in this app is that you have rooms, and in these rooms, as I understand, you can invite both real people and bots. So you can chat with real people and bots. So here you can create open room, social, or invite only. So for example, just create it here. There are some room permissions. Basically, this is kind of like a WhatsApp group. And then room description. And then yeah, here you can then just invite people, and then you can just tap to enter. So moderation is on, signal is off, and then yeah, this is the idea. You have 10 invites remaining. You can just tap the people button and basically use the invite code. Yeah, I will share this code later in the video. And what else? Then you can, I guess, you can search bots and then just add to room. And then you're just adding this bot to the rooms, and then you can just activate it just like that. So something like that. So yeah, I'm just basically exploring the app, and then yeah, you just have it here in the room as well. And then you add in other people. So you have people, you have bots, and you have media. So this is kind of like WhatsApp, but with real people and bots. So that's the idea of the app. Kind of interesting. And then there are also like, there is a feed, people just generating all this stuff. So yeah, here's the app. It's called CANTINA AI. And then you also have settings. You can see all the things here. Then you can also delete your account, see your data usage, see your AI selfies, just standard stuff, edit your profile, change your username, settings in here. So there are also additional app settings. These are the same. So yeah, that's basically what it is. I mean, that's what you have. So now, oopsie, and now, so there is profile. So this is my profile section, my bio, my favorite bots. Room, home, and then by the way, here is my invite code in here. You have 10 invites left, use them wisely. So here is my invite code for this app, FD7E5. So this is, you need this invite code to get inside of this app. So something like that. That's just basically an idea, and you can feel free to use my link. As I mean, this is just the idea in here. So yeah, that's what you have in here. That's what it is. So Hope this is helpful, and yeah, thanks for watching.